Hello, so this is the Extreme 2.0 Woodman for Brezza. I just unboxed it. Nice stereo. I think it has a really nice finish. And the plastic seems a little bit cheap, but I think it doesn't immediately notice. Okay, so it has all these connectors on the back. Oh, it also has optical. I don't know if it will be able to use it. It has 4G antennas, GPS, Wi-Fi. I think it's a normal FM antenna, radio. Okay, so let's also see the wires which came along. Okay, this one is the standard Brezza coupler. Sorry, the connector. So the wires which comes from the car has to go in, and this will be connected somewhere over here. So the green one is the camera connector. So I wanted to have my inbuilt camera of Brezza to be reused, so I opted for this connector rather than having the free camera. So they were happy to do that. So thanks for Woodman. I don't know what this is. We'll see later. I think this one is the 4G antenna. Probably has to go somewhere out here. This one is GPS antenna because it's clearly written on the top of this thing. USB. I think it comes with yeah, I think it goes somewhere over here to have the standard USB working. It also has this mic. I think it already has one inbuilt, so you can see over here, but I think in addition to that, this one also came along with the stereo. I think this would be more sensitive. That's why probably they ship it too. This is the SIM card slot. This stereo also supports 4G SIM card. And let me open this thing. Yeah, I think the SIM card will go somewhere here. And I'll see later. Okay, so that's all which came along with the stereo. I think we have two USB connectors, so that's nice. Okay, I'll create another video for installing this thing on my car and let you know a detailed review of the stereo. Thanks for watching.